Hey guys, look what I have. Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. I know this was one of our favorites in class, and I thought we could read it together today. So this is the title, Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. There's Pete with his white shoes. This is written by Eric Litwin and art by James Dean. The front cover, the back cover, and the spine. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loves his white shoes so much he sang this song. I love my white shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of, what are those? Strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Right, red. Did Pete cry? He kept walking along and singing his song. That's Michael. I love my red shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? He kept walking along and singing his song.
I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again?
White. But now they were wet.
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. 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 The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. The end. Pete the cat didn't get sad at all whenever he stepped in different things and turned his nice white shoes into different colors. And the kids, those were my kids. The one helping me sing, that's Lucidius, and then the other one, that was Michael. They wanted to help make the video. I miss all you guys, and I went into our classroom the other day, and it was just weird not having everyone. And hopefully someday soon we can all be back together. I love you guys. Bye.